how to turn off page new likes notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off page new likes notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find this. Let's go back first and then click these three lines in the top corner and then click pages and select your page and then click this settings icon in the top corner and then click notifications. And now click this one on Facebook, and here all you need to do is just click this one new likes, click on it if you want to turn it off, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.